Nyumba-ini ya kuiga mĩĩrĩ ya Montezuma, andu a nyumba, arata na aria mararutithanagia wira na Betty megwikinyitie niguo kunyitanira igongona-ini ria mitha ya muthia mbere ya mwiri wake gucoka kuhurukio mucii gwake mwena wa Oloolua kaunti ya Kajiado. Igongona riri rikuihurwo ni kieha na maithori na umwe thutha wa uria ungi aria magire na kanya ga kuona mwiri wake ria muthia ari hamwe na muthuriwe matinahota kuhingiriria maithori mao. Kuri aciari na andu a nyumba, Betty arari mundu wa mwanya na urendetwo muno kuma kuri andu a rika riake ona aria akuru.
We thank the Lord for blossoming life lived with Betty, and in our hearts you remain forever. Dearest Betty, rest in perfect peace.
Ruo rwa mwana rwiragwo ruyo no muciari.
Ninamsalimu nyinyi wote.
Nyina wa Betty akioneka ari na kieha kiingi na ona ari muni kwaria hindi ya igongona riri.
Huyu mtoto yangu ni namba 8 kwa tumbo yangu. Sasa nilishtuka sana na mimi mwenyewe ni mgonjwa. Sitasemako kitu, lakini wacha dada yangu aseme kenye nimemwambia.
Ndumiriri-ini yake iri thomirwo ni mwari wa nyina ona kuhanura uguo ni agathiririe mwari makiria ni undu wa kumunyitirira na wendo munene.
I can't forget your last days when in the company of your sisters and brothers coordinated to meet my medical bills. I was to see the doctor on the 9th of April 2021 after the first trip, but the worst happened on 7th April 2021.
Na kuri aria mararutithanagia wira nake ithenya riake ritire wa kuihuria kuona arari muruti wa wira wikuranire.
We've lost our worker. KBC and indeed the entire media fraternity have not come into terms with what happened. However, what we are left with is to thank God for the time he gave us to be with Betty.
Matongoretio ni seneta wa Bungoma, atongoria a kiuteti aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ni moritie thirikari gutigirira eki nae aria moragire Betty ni manyitikana na kuherithio kiwatho.
You know, it pains to see that those children will live to ask, here is dad, where is mother? It pains us. Where they are celebrating, but God, we are asking you, IG, that you tell us the truth.
Hatuwezi kusema hii ni ya kawaida, si ya kawaida. Na Bwana Wanyama, nimefurahi kusikia the good things you have said. In criminal law, hakuna time limit. Wale ambao wameua msichana yetu lazima wawindwe, lazima washikwe, lazima washtakiwe.
Uthuthuria ugithiaga na mbere, maafitha a uthuthuria riu marekwa kwaya gukorwo kwari na njama ya thaganitio ya kuuraga Betty magiteaniria uyu gukorwo ari mutino wa o mutugo. Arohurũka horo na utheri wa hindi ciothe umutheragire. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, yetagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.